Hi my peeps, welcome to the Shire. Today begins the construction of the highly anticipated Mount Wanahakalugi. This is going to be a majestic volcanic fountain in our Shire, or so that's how I envision it. This plan has been in place for weeks, inspired from a fountain we saw during a trip in Long Island, and I'm going to make it happen today. I am delulu enough to think I can accomplish most of the sculpting today, maybe even the painting. So we'll see. I hope. I have a plan. I'd also like to thank the McManus-Lavoie family for their contributions of this beautiful basin that will serve as the bottom of Mount Wanahakalugi. Okay, so my plan is to repurpose these bottles along the base, spray foam over them, and sort of sculpt this up to create a volcano shape. And I happen to have all this spray foam up in my house, waiting for this job. 2 of my cans of spray foam wouldn't work, so I had to go get more. Wah. The consistency on this new can is like night and day from what I was using before, so yay, this is going to be much easier. In my learning about spray foam, I found out you're supposed to hold it this way, upside down. Oh yeah, much better, like night and day from what I was working with before. Amazing. 5 cans of spray foam later, and we have a base. Okay, I had to get more foam spray. Sorry, 2 days weed whacking. And I'm gonna start to spray paint the front a little. Mount Wanahakalugi, day 2. I got a lot of it done last night, kind of in the dark, but she's getting beautiful. I keep skipping steps because I'm working so fast, but right now I am creating a catch basin here at the top by sawing with a steak knife that I have for yard work. And this is going to create a basin up here for this to cascade down. I've also set little plastic potters in there to give it some greenery. It's going to be awesome. Okay, current situation of Hakalugi is I haven't painted this much. I am not going to be able to make it cascade before our party tomorrow. So we're going to work on this pretty little fountain in the middle. It's going to run off of a solar pump that my husband has had for a long time and was part of his college project. But I got to try to get that to stay, put plants up there, and then fill it up and see how it goes. I put some of my portulacas in that I grew from seeds. Hopefully they like it over here. They do like bright sun, but they're doing so great that I think they'll enjoy living here too. I ended zip tying it to a big old brick because I don't want it floating around in there. So let's fill her up. Ta-da!